And what if I told you that you can actually make money by sharing your travel experience, travel tips, holiday fun, or even writing on random topics? Basically anything that will interest readers on these websites I'm about to show you now. And it doesn't require any special skills, such as copywriting skills, because you will be using ChatGPT to help you write in any writing style based on your specifications. And the best part is that the websites are currently accepting articles in Q4. So in this video, which is a comprehensive guide to monetizing your everyday experience, I will cover the platforms where you can find such opportunities, some tips for success, and cautionary notes to ensure that you're making informed decisions. And most importantly, I will leave you with all the links to the websites I will be mentioning for accessibility. I promise to keep this video super short but informative. I have taken it upon myself to verify these websites, so be assured that you are working with the best websites that pay for writing articles. Without further ado, let's get started with the first website that pays for writing articles. The first is a travel website is called budgettravel.com. They claim to be the ultimate resource for the world's savviest travelers, and they continue to provide travelers with practical and timely travel tips and tools. So as a writer, you are expected to uncover the best under-the-radar travel experiences and show their readers how just about any destination can be made accessible if you know the right information. They pay about 50 cents to $1 per word, and up to $1,000 per article. Now to submit your article on Budget Travel, come over to this page and click on Start Here. Then it takes you to a new page. Here you are required to fill out some information. Email address, name, country, type of content. Now you scroll and click on Writer. Choose your area of expertise. We have beaches, family travel, food and drinks, sports, and all that. Now choose your location of expertise. This would be a city, state, or country. Then scroll to the button to submit your form. All of these here are not compulsory fields, so you can ignore them. Now submit and wait for a response. Remember, I promised to leave you guys with the link to this website in the description box, right? So go check it out. The next is Go World Travel. Pay is $40 to $60 per article for 1,600 words. This is a good place to submit posts because, even though they don't pay very well, they consider writers from across the entire travel spectrum. If you can write a good post and communicate well with the editors, you can probably get a gig or two per month. They are currently looking for descriptive, in-depth, but concise writing to inspire people to explore new places. Here, you get more information about how to submit your article and what's expected of you. Over here, it says Article Topics. Before submitting your story, please take a look at Go World Travel magazine to see what we have already covered. We're looking for new ideas, angles, and experiences in popular destinations, as well as lesser-known destinations and unique adventures. And when you scroll down a little further, it says Travel Article Style and Length. When writing your article, please review our editorial guidelines. This will provide a clear guide to what we look for in an article. Now here's the email to submit your article. And when you do, be sure to get paid $30 to $40 upon publication. Up next is Hit the Road. They pay up to $50 per article for 1,500 words at maximum. Hit the Road is a website aiming to inspire those with the urge to combine creativity, travel, and earning money. They want original writing, photography, and videography that showcases fun adventures, unique cultures, and amazing experiences on the road, with an emphasis on rented camper vans and motorhomes. Though any road trip will be considered, if you really want to get paid to write online just for extra cash, then $50 is absolutely ideal for a one-time gig. And here it says, Contributing to Hit the Road. Hello, welcome to the Contribute section of Hit the Road for those with the urge to combine travel, creative flair, and earning money. Please read the following before submitting. And when you are done reading their guidelines and rules for publication, now scroll down to where it says, Sounds good, sign me up. Then click to sign up as a contributor, so that you too can start making money by writing articles. You see, writing for a travel website will be your best shot at this time. Here, we have 101 Holidays. This is a UK-based online travel publication, and they're looking for posts about fun holidays for UK citizens. Before submitting, be sure to read some posts on both of their websites and get a feel for their style. They're not strict on word count, but they typically publish articles between 800 to 1,500 words. When you come over here, it says, if you are a travel writer or hoping to get into the industry, we offer a number of ways you can contribute to 101 holidays. Please read this page in full before submitting anything to us. That's interesting, right? It does give a novice a chance to earn on their platform. And here's where you email your article, mark@101holidays.co.uk. And if your article is selected for publication, we will pay you between £50 and £100 by direct bank transfer or PayPal within 7 days of publication. So if you've gotten any value from this video, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button on this video to help achieve 500 likes. If you've not done that, subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, turn on the bell notification button, and YouTube is going to send you a notification when next I drop a new video. Up next is Cracked. You see, Cracked isn't really a travel website, but they do feature the odd travel story if it's captivating and hilarious. They typically accept lists and travel tales, but as their Fun Writers Guidelines page points out, they will consider pretty much any style of writing. They pay pretty well, and you can submit pretty much anything you want, so this is a good one. Over here, it says, we want to pay you to write for us. Let's get right to it. We will pay you to write things for us, even if you have never written anything for anybody before. And when you scroll down to the very bottom, you have the payment structure there. It says, well, our full-length feature articles start at $100 each, and after your 4th published article, you get bumped up to the veteran pay of $200. If your article is among the 10 most popular that month, you get a $50 bonus. That's pretty amazing, and I think you should give this platform a try. Next is Listverse. This website will literally pay you $100 per list with about 1,500 plus words to write on anything. As the name would suggest, Listverse is a massive listicle type online publication, and they're always looking for new lists. Be sure to read the lists in all categories to make sure you're not repeating anything, and get familiar with their writing style. I really love their interface, no write-ups and ads flying everywhere. And it says, do you want to earn money online? Listverse was built on the efforts of readers just like you. Readers who didn't have any experience as writers but decided to put a list together and send it in. So here is the deal. We will pay you $100 for your efforts. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker, a sense of humor, and a love for things unusual or interesting. If you look over there, it gives you an idea of what you should write about. And it says, to help you out with some ideas, the lists that our readers love the most, and the ones we will most likely pay for, are lists that are offbeat and novel. Lists that are looking at something normal in an unexpected way, ways college makes you dumb, for example. Unsolved mysteries, hidden knowledge, things most people don't know, misconceptions, and just really astonishing general knowledge about anything. Science, for example. What we don't want to see are lists on sports, self-help, personal stories, or gaming. We don't publish opinion lists. This seems like a beginner-friendly website to start with. And when you are done reading their submission guidelines and ready to submit your list, just click over there to submit them. So guys, if you have any questions about this website, you can always drop them in the comments section, and I will be there to answer you. And if you want me to make another of these videos, maybe in a general niche, you can always drop it in the comments section. Here at Smarter Travel, they accept both short and feature-length stories on a range of travel topics, including booking strategies, saving money, avoiding scams, packing tips, the best places to go, travel tech, travel trends, and travel tips that represent all kinds of travelers and travel experiences. Sometimes they're looking for roundups and destination content like beaches that should be on your bucket list, or pieces that highlight more off-track destinations. And they will pay you between $100 to $500 per article, from 500 to as many as 5,000 words. If this interests you, simply come over here and submit a request. Write your subject, choose your reason for contact, write a brief description of your article, and attach your file. Here's Gary's Sporting Journal. Now you will need to take a close look at its submission guidelines to avoid mistakes. It does have a wide range of topics to choose from, and the words for each vary. The same goes for the pay. And it says, editorial guidelines, we expect competent, vividly written prose, fact or fiction, that has high entertainment value for a very sophisticated audience. I love the fact that all kinds of writing genres are accepted here. Manuscript length depends on the subject. If you need 12,000 words to tell the tale, then do so. But if you can tell the story in 3,000 or even 1,500 words, then be kind to yourself, your readers, and our editors. They aren't even about a lengthy post, but rather a more concise one. And if you scroll a little further, it says, we pay from $600 to $1,250 for features based on quality, not length. Yarns average $600. Poems, $100. We pay $50 to $300 for photographs. For expeditions pieces, we pay $850 to $1,000 plus $75 per picture published. All payment is made upon publication. This is a very good website to earn extra income. As you can see, the pay isn't bad. So if you've gotten any value from this video, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button on this video again. If you've not done that, subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you just watched right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. See you guys in my next video. Bye.